Welcome to this RPost training video. In this video, we will show you how to change or alter an Outlook read receipt. To begin, it's important to discuss some of the Outlook read receipt feature shortcomings. For example, many users are unaware that both the sender and receiver are required to use Microsoft Outlook for that Outlook read receipt to be generated. If the receiver is using webmail or a mobile device, that read receipt option will not appear. In addition, the recipient must volunteer this information by clicking the read receipt pop-up or having their system set to do so. Second, the read receipt does not prove content of the message or attachments, and the time that's located on the Outlook read receipt is the sender's desktop time. It's not a uniform time. And third, the Outlook read receipt is not tamper-proof. It's not tamper detectable and cannot be verified or authenticated. And that's what we're going to show you right now. Now that the Outlook read receipt has entered the inbox, you'll see the pop-up that appears. And it asks, do you want to send a read receipt? If you say no, then the sender gets no Outlook read receipt. If you say yes, then the receiver will get the receipt. So we're going to press yes. Now that the Outlook read receipt is in the sender's inbox, let's look at it in more detail. We open it up. It has the who it was from, who it was sent to, and the subject. It also has the name of the message, who it was sent to, the subject, when it was sent, and when it was read. But it does not show anything about the content of the message. And also, how do we know this hasn't been tampered with? Well, let's take a look at how easy it is to change this. You simply go to Edit Message, click on the Edit Message button, and let's just change the date. We'll change it to 1/26, a month earlier. And let's also change the subject to Problems with an Outlook read receipt solved. Pretty easy to do. We close it and we save it. The next time we open it up, it has been changed. Your message, Problems with an Outlook read receipt solved, and the date is a month earlier. So the Outlook read receipt does not give you proof if you get into a dispute involving an email. To learn more about the RPost registered email services, please contact support@rpost.com.